Oh, what happened?
My new iPhone 17 Pro just broke.
Let me see. It's just a screen protector. I can actually fix that for you. I have all the screen protectors that you need at my place. Let's go.
Okay. We've gone wrong after wrong. When you gonna put it on?
Oh, right. I forgot. See. Now, these, the only place they deserve is the garbage bin. Because now, there is MagicJohn's strongest and easiest to apply 3rd generation screen protector that is 60% tougher than the previous gen and 50% faster to apply. And with this, you don't even need to worry about dust, alignment. Just pull the dust removing tape, and that's it. You can then swipe the edges like this, and as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 10 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and made to protect your screen for years. And if you like it, you get the applicator along with 2 of these screen protectors in the box, so click the OK and purchase it now. So, one more round.
Let's do it.